3, 2, 1, action.
Girl is red.
Yeah! Oh, whoa!
That's pretty good though, right?
I think we got it. I think we nailed it. And we're back. It's later. Johnny edited a bunch of stuff. Thank you. How long did this take you to put together?
45 minutes.
Wow, not bad, man.
And it only took us about 45
It took
minutes.
us an hour. All right, let's see what we got.
Ready? Here we go.
Here we go.
Hey, I've got the baby. Oop, there it goes.
Okay.
Thank you, Father. Okay, this
Come in the
Don't worry about it.
Hey.
Yeah.
Kick my fucking bed. Why those fish? Just to think for baby, he'll be so hungry.
Yeah!
All right.
Wow.
Okay.
It looked so legit.
Okay. 10 points to us.
Yeah.